Good morning. It's October 16th. And what are you up to?
Working on stuff.
It's only 8 a.m.
Yep.
But yesterday we hit some kind of strange wall. Did we not?
Yeah, we just completely lost motivation.
We were done by noon. Sitting on the couch eating quesadillas.
Yeah. Well, let's say 2.
Okay, maybe it was 2.
Maybe it was 1:45.
We just died yesterday. I don't know what that was about.
Yeah.
So, not a lot got accomplished yesterday. Did anything get accomplished yesterday? I did get the started gluing the trim around the metal pieces. You finished up the 3 frames for the handles.
Yeah.
I got some paint on all of that.
This is for the kitchen surround.
Yes.
For the walls. Did a little bit more work on the bathroom door. Starting to figure out the front enclosure for all the utilities, the electric, the LP gas, the spare tire storage. So starting to move forward on that too. So
You did a little bit in the bathroom.
a little in the bathroom. I'm just little things here and there because I just couldn't find. Every time I'd get started on something, I'd hit a roadblock, so I'd backtrack and then try to do something else because I didn't have the parts for something. And I mean, there's little specialty things like the little button for the fan in the bathroom. There's a little collar, a little threaded collar.
And of course, it's not the size of most electronics where
No.
you could just use a nut from the whatever.
Yeah.
Everything yesterday. But this morning I got up and I got moving.
Yeah.
And I am moving.
You are.
I don't know.
I'm just trying to
Get started.
figure out a few things. I'm still working on the vent. We have one of the vents that all the wire screen has been torn out. And instead of buying the whole assembly for $120, I'm going to try to take the screen out and then plastic weld it back into place.
Cool. Yeah, so this morning I've already put my I'm calm back up. I taped the M back up. Maybe that'll help with things. I've got some of that. I don't know what kind of glue that is.
It's a clear roofing adhesive. It's almost like shoe goo.
Yeah. It says it takes a full 3 to 5 days to fully cure, but and put the bolts back on there. And then I also attached the cable that we can use for hanging up here with our little sliders that you can move around and adjust what you're hanging so that you can hold it tight. With the safety cable. So that's all attached now. And here's some of the bathroom stuff Cory was working on yesterday. So he sort of has the vent thing kind of in place, sort of. And I drilled out the sink this morning so that it will now fit down in its surround. So we keep moving. We keep on moving. Always an adventure.
Always.
That's it for this Lake Calamita update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners, cake decorating. I even cook with my dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, check out the Lake Calamita playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.